Good morning, students. First, Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. In last class, we discussed the maximum value and the minimum value of the function f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Okay, and the maximum value of f of x is equal to c plus square root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value of the function f of x is equal to c minus square root of a square plus b square. Okay, today we are going to discuss some other applications of some product rules. Okay, question number 1, if tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of a minus b by a plus b into tan phi by 2, prove that cos theta is equal to a cos phi plus b divided by a plus b cos phi, a plus b cos phi. Okay, the solution. Okay, first number, given tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of a minus b by a plus b into tan phi by 2. Okay, so LHS part given LHS is cos theta. Cos theta means, in terms of tan, this is cos theta means 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus, what is tan theta by 2? Square root of a minus b by a plus b tan phi by 2. So put here, so square root of a minus b by a plus b tan phi by 2 whole square divided by 1 plus square root of a minus b by a plus b tan phi by 2, ये भी whole square. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus, this is whole square is there, so square root of a minus b by a plus b whole square means simply a minus b by a plus b. So a minus b by a plus b tan square phi by 2. Okay, tan square phi by 2 divided by 1 plus a b a minus b by a plus b into tan square phi by 2. Tan square phi by 2. Okay, so find the LCM. So LCM is what? A plus b. Here also LCM is a plus b. So is equal to a plus b minus a minus b tan square phi by 2 divided by a plus b whole divided by a plus b plus a minus b tan square phi by 2 divided by also a plus b. Okay, so a plus b is cancel out, is equal to a plus b minus of a minus b, this is tan square phi by 2 divided by a plus b plus a minus b, this is tan square phi by 2. Okay, so is equal to a plus b minus multiply tan square phi by 2 with a, this is a tan square phi by 2 minus minus plus plus minus minus plus b tan square phi by 2 whole divided by this also a plus b plus a into tan square phi by 2 a into tan square phi by 2 minus b into tan square phi by 2, b into tan square phi by 2 is equal to, here a, this also a, so a is a common from first and third term, a is a common from first and third term, so a into 1 minus tan square phi by 2 plus b is common from first and second and fourth, so b into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by here also a is common from first and third term, a into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2, b into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, dividing both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2, dividing both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, so is equal to a into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by a into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 whole divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, dividing both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, because here cos beta is given na, so cos beta means what? 1 minus 10 square beta by 2 divided by cos phi given, so cos phi means 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Therefore, we divide both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, so dividing both numerator and denominator by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 and separate this. This is a into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 whole divided by a into 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 plus b into 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2. Okay, so a into this is 1 minus 10 square 5 by 2 by 1 plus 10 square 5 by 2 is cos phi. This is cos phi plus ये cancel, this is b divided by ये also cancel, so a plus b into this is cos phi. Cos phi is equal to what? RHS. Okay, similarly we can solve question number 2. Okay, similarly we can solve the question number 2 also. Means 10 alpha by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 10 beta by 2. Given achi kana 2 10 alpha by 2 is equal to 10 beta by 2. Therefore 10 alpha by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 10 beta by 2. Next LHS part is cos alpha. To express cos alpha in terms of 10, so cos alpha is equal to 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 by 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. Then use 10 alpha by 2 is equal to half 10 beta by 2. Okay, so you do the question number 2. Next question number 3. Same method is adapted for question number 2 also है means question number 1 जमीती करले question number 2 भी सही करिवो. Okay, next question number 3. Given cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 1 by 3 and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 4, then prove that cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 5 by 24. Okay, plus or minus 5 by 24. Okay, so 3 number given cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 1 by 3 and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, therefore cos alpha plus cos beta whole square is equal to 1 by 9 and sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 1 by 16, means squaring both side. Okay, squaring both side. Next adding both we get so cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 16. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 16. So this implies this is a cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha into cos beta plus this is sin square alpha plus this is sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha into sin beta is equal to this is 9 and 16 LCM is 144. This is 16 plus 9. So this implies cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Cos square beta plus sin square beta also 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta means 2 is a common. This becomes cos alpha into cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta. Okay, is equal to 25 by 144. 25 by 144. So this implies 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B means cos of A minus B. This is the cos of A minus B means alpha minus beta is equal to 25 by 144. 25 by 144. तो implies 2 कॉमन बाहर कर दियो 1 plus cos alpha minus beta is equal to 25 by 144. Okay, implies 2 into this is 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. This is 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 25 by 144. Okay, so cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to this is 25 by 144 into 4. Therefore cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 25 by 144 into 4 is equal to plus or minus this is 5 by this is 12 into 2, that means plus or minus 5 by 24 is equal to RHS. Okay, is equal to RHS 1 plus cos theta. Remember this 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, next question. Given first number, given theta is equal to pi by 2 to power n plus 1. Theta is equal to pi by 2 to power n plus 1. Okay, so this implies theta into 2 to power n plus 1 is equal to pi. So implies 2 to power n theta plus theta is equal to pi. So implies 2 to power n theta is equal to pi minus theta. 2 to n theta is equal to pi minus theta. Okay, then prove that 2 to power n into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into continue up to n times, that means cos 2 to n minus 1 theta is equal to 1. Okay, so LHS part, LHS 2 to power n cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta dot 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 cos 2 to power n theta. Okay, this is the LHS part. So is equal to multiplying both numerator and denominator by sin theta, because 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Okay, so multiplying both numerator and denominator by sin theta. So 2 to power n into sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta dot 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 cos 2 to power n theta whole divided by sin theta. Okay, तो कौन कर रहा है ना multiplying both numerator and denominator by sin theta. तो is equal to 2 to power n means 2 to power n means 2 to power n minus 1 into 2. 2 to n minus 1 into 2. Okay, 2 to power, again check it, 2 to n means 2 to power n minus 1 into 2 means 2 to 5 means 2 to 4 into 2. 2 to 4 into 2 means 2 to 1. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Here also same. 2 to n means 2 to n minus 1 into 2. Okay. So 2 to power n minus 1 into 2 to power 1 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta dot dot cos 2 to power n theta whole divided by sin theta. Okay, so 2 to n minus 1, this is 2 sin a into cos a is equal to sin 2a. So put here sin 2a. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta up to cos 2 to n minus 1 theta. This is n minus 1 theta. Okay, this is also n minus 1 theta, n minus 1 theta whole divided by sin theta, whole divided by what? Sin theta. Okay, again 2 to power n minus 1 is equal to 2 to n minus 2 into 2. So is equal to 2 to n minus 2 into 2 to the 1 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta dot 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 cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to 2 to n minus 2 into 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. 2 sin a into cos a means sin 2a. So here a means 2 theta. Okay, so this is sin 2a. So 2 into a means what? 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta up to cos 2 to power n minus 1 theta. 2 to power n minus 1 theta. Okay, is equal whole by sin theta. So is equal to again 2 to n minus 2 is equal to 2 to n minus 3 into 2. So 2 to power n minus 3 into 2 into this is sin 4 theta. So sin 4 theta means sin 2 square theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2q theta dot dot cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so is equal to 2 to n minus 3 into again 2 sin a into cos a, 2 sin a into cos a. A means 2 square theta. A means what? 2 square theta. So this is 2 sin a into cos a means sin 2a, 2 into 2 square theta. Okay, into cos 2q theta up to cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to 2 to power n minus 3 sin, this is sin 2q theta, 2 power 1. Okay, 2 to power 1 into 2 square, that means 2q, 2 to the cube theta into cos 2q theta up to cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta, divided by sin theta. Again 2 to power n minus 3 is equal to what? 2 to n minus 4 into 2, 2 to n minus 4 into 2. Again 2 to n minus 3 equal to 2 to n minus 4 into 2 into sin 2q theta into cos 2q theta into cos 2 to power 4 theta up to cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to 2 to n minus 4, again 2 sin a into cos a means 2q theta. So 2 sin a into cos a means sin, 2 into a means 2q theta into cos 2 to the 4 theta up to cos 2 to the n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to 2 to n minus 4 into this is sin, this is 2 to the 1 into 2 cube. So this is 2 to the 4. This is 2 to the 4 theta into cos 2 to the 4 theta up to cos 2 to the n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So continuing in this way up to n times. Okay. So continuing in this way up to n minus 1 times karo. Continuing in this way up to n. Continuing in this way up to n minus 1 times. Continuing in this way up to n minus 1 times. Finally we get, देखो this is 4 times कराई 4 times कले कौन जेडी n minus 4 होची एडी 4 होची पावर 2 to power 4. तो 4 times कले n minus 4 तो n minus 1 times कले n minus of n minus 1. ओके. तो is equal to 2 to power n minus of n minus 1 into sin 2 to n minus 1 theta into cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. This is 4 times. 4 times means n minus 4. So 2 to the power 4. Okay. So n minus 1 times means 2 to power n minus of n minus 1. Okay. So is equal to, this is 2 and then cancel 2 to the 1. 2, this is sin 2 to n minus 1 theta into cos 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. This is 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a is equal to sin 2a. 2a means 2 to n minus 1 theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to sin 2 to n theta, because 2 to the power 1 into 2 to n minus 1, that is 2 to the n, means n minus 1 plus 1, that is n. So sin 2 to n theta divided by sin theta. So is equal to sin 2 to the power n theta means what? 2 to n theta means pi minus theta. 2 to n theta means pi minus theta. So put here pi minus theta divided by sin theta. But sin pi minus theta is what? Sin pi minus theta is plus sin theta. So plus sin theta divided by sin theta is equal to 1. This is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. Okay. Next question. If sin to the power 4 alpha by a is equal plus cos to the power 4 alpha by b is equal to 1 by a plus b, then show that sin to the power 8 alpha by a cube plus cos to the power 8 alpha by b cube is equal to 1 by a plus b whole cube. Okay. So given, this is a given part. So first find the LCM of this part and simplify this. Okay. Question number 2, given sin to power 4 alpha by a plus cos to power 4 alpha by b is equal to 1 by a plus b. Okay. So first find LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is ab. So b multiply, this is b sin to power 4 alpha plus a cos to power 4 alpha is equal to 1 by a plus b. Okay. Then cross multiplication karo. Okay. So cross multiplication करले कौन आसीबो? b sin to power 4 alpha plus a cos to power 4 alpha into a plus b is equal to ab. Means multiply करले आ सहित एटा आ सहित a plus b डी multiply हल्ला ab into 1 means ab. Okay. तो implies a multiply करले individually. This is ab sin 4th alpha plus a square cos 4th alpha plus b multiply करो b square sin 4th alpha plus ab cos 4th alpha is equal to ab. Is equal to ab. So implies this is a square cos 4th alpha means a cos square alpha whole square plus b square sin square alpha means b sin square alpha whole square plus here ab given, here ab given, so ab is common, so ab into this is cos 4th alpha plus sin 4th alpha. Okay. इज इक्वल टू ए बी। तो इम्प्लाइज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी इंटू दिस इज ए फोर्थ प्लस बी फोर्थ इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर। तो ए स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इंटू साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी। ओके, इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी। तो इम्प्लाइज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज 1। तो दिस इज 1। अगेन देखो, अगेन ए फोर्थ प्लस बी फोर्थ इज इक्वल टू ए फोर्थ प्लस बी फोर्थ इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर। ओके, इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? ए बी। तो कॉस स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर इज 1, तो 1 माइनस 2 कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी। तो इम्प्लाइज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी मल्टीप्लाई करो। तो ए बी इंटू 1 मीन्स ए बी माइनस 2 ए मल्टीप्लाई करो कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा सहित। तो ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा बी मल्टीप्लाई करो साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा सहित। तो बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए बी। ए बी मल्टीप्लाई कलो 1 सहित, तो ए बी माइनस माइनस 2 2। तो ए मल्टीप्लाई कल कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा सहित, बी मल्टीप्लाई कल साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा सहित। ओके, तो ए बी को ए बी कैंसल, ए बी के ए बी कौन है? कैंसल। तो ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2a बी इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर। ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर। तो दिस इम्प्लाई दिस इज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा माइनस बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0। ये कहते ए बी कैंसल, दिस इज 0, राइट साइड इज 0। तो इम्प्लाइज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा माइनस बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0। तो इम्प्लाइज ए कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा। ओके, तो इम्प्लाइज ए बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा। ए बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा। ओके, बाय रेशियो एंड प्रपोर्शन, बाय रेशियो एंड प्रपोर्शन ए बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा। ओके, अगेन ए बाई बी इज इक्वल टू सी बाई डी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस सी बाई बी प्लस डी। दिस इज द रेशियो एंड कौन? प्रपोर्शन। तो ए बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ 2 न्यूमरेटर डिवाइड बाई सम ऑफ 2 डिनोमिनेटर। ओके, therefore a बाई साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी बाई कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी बाई 1, ए प्लस बी बाई 1 बिकॉज साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा इज 1। ओके, तो कंपेयरिंग फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रेशियो, कंपेयरिंग फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रेशियो साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू कंपेयरिंग फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रेशियो, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रेशियो, थर्ड रेशियो साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए बाई ए प्लस बी, साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए बाई ए प्लस बी। ओके, and from second and third ratio, from second and third ratio, from second and third ratio, cos square alpha is equal to b by a plus b, b by a plus b. तो sin square alpha is equal to a by a plus b, cos square alpha is equal to b by b plus b, b by a plus b. Therefore LHS part what? Now sin to power 8 alpha by a cube plus cos to power 8 alpha by b cube is equal to sin to 8 alpha means sin square alpha power 4 by a cube plus this is cos square alpha power 4 by b cube. So what is sin square alpha? Sin square alpha is a by a plus b. This is a by a plus b power 4 by a cube plus b by a plus b power 4 by b cube okay. So is equal to a by a plus b power 4 means a fourth by a plus b power 4 okay divided by a cube plus b fourth by a plus b power 4 by b cube okay. तो a क्यू कैंसल तो रहिला कौन a रहिला ऊपर यार b क्यू कैंसल रहिला कौन a. तो a बाई a प्लस b पावर 4 प्लस b बाई a प्लस b पावर 4. तो एलसीएम इज a प्लस b पावर 4 a प्लस b. तो इज इक्वल a प्लस b कैंसल तो 1 बाई a प्लस b पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू RHS इज इक्वल टू व्हाट RHS okay. These are very short questions. One questions. The minimum value of sin theta into cos theta is dash. Okay. So minimum value of sin theta into cos theta. So first this is the product of two functions sin and cos. So first express the product of two functions to a single function. Okay. So sin theta into cos theta is equal to question number 1. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to multiply 2 divided by 2 sin theta cos theta. So is equal to 1 by 2. This is sin 2 theta. Okay, 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. So minimum value of sin 2 theta is 1. Minimum value of sin 2 theta is 1. Therefore minimum value of sin theta into cos theta is equal to half into minimum sin theta is minus 1. Minimum sin theta is minus 1. Therefore minimum value of sin theta into cos theta is equal to half into minus 1. Half into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So minimum value of sin theta into cos theta is minus 1. Next question number 2, given tan alpha is equal to half, tan beta is equal to 1 by 3. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Okay, so first find tan of alpha plus beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta is equal to what? Now tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So is equal to what is tan alpha? 1 by 2. Tan beta 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So is equal to this is 3 plus 2 by 6. Here also 1 minus 1 by 6. So is equal to 5 by 6 divided by 6 minus 1 by 5. 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 6 is equal to what? 1. Therefore tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1. So tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 means alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degree. So this implies tan alpha plus 1 means tan of pi by 4, tan of pi by 4. Okay, so therefore alpha plus beta is equal to what? Pi by 4. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3, cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree divided by cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree. Okay, so this is equal to dividing both numerator and denominator by what? Cos 15, or use the formula. This is equal to, use the formula, tan pi by 4 plus a. Formula is, remember this formula, cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a is equal to tan pi by 4 plus a. Tan pi by 4 plus a means here, a means what? A means 15 degree. A means 15 degree. So is equal to tan pi by 4 means 45 degree plus 15 degree is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means root 3. So cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree divided by cos 15 minus sin 15 is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to what? Root 3. Okay, so this is a plus, so this is a plus. If it is a minus, it is a minus. Okay, तो ये प्लस, दिस इज माइनस मीन ये सब अल्टरनेट साइन ऊपर प्लस तले माइनस ऊपर माइनस तले कौन प्लस. तो ये जहाँ रही साइन जहाँ यही साइनटा जहाँ ये प्लस तले प्लस नब माइनस तले माइनस नब. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 105 डिग्री, साइन 105 डिग्री इंटू कॉस 105 डिग्री. बोथ द एंगल्स आर सेम, तो मल्टीप्लाई 2 डिवाइड बाई 2. तो इज इक्वल टू 1/2 साइन 105 डिग्री इंटू कॉस 105 डिग्री. तो इज इक्वल टू 1/2 साइन ए इंटू कॉस है. 2 साइन ए इंटू कॉस है मीन्स साइन 2a. दिस इज साइन 2 इंटू ए मीन्स 105 डिग्री. इज इक्वल टू 1/2 साइन 210 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1/2 साइन 210 मीन्स पाई प्लस 30 डिग्री. Because pi means 180 plus 30 means 210 degree. So sin pi plus theta, sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So half into minus sin 30 degree is equal to minus sin 30 means half into minus half is equal to minus 1/4. Minus 1/4. Okay. Next question number 5. 5 number 2 sin 67.5, 2 sin 67.5 into cos 22.5 is equal to dash. तो use the formula 2 sin a into cos b. तो 2 sin a into cos b means sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. तो use the formula sin a plus b 67.5 plus 22.5 plus sin a minus b 67.5 minus 22.5. So this is sin 67.5 plus 22.5 means 90 degree. So this is sin 90 degree and plus sin 67.5 minus 22.5 means 45 degree. This is a 45 degree. So sin 90 means 1 and sin 45 means 1 by root 2. So is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay. Next question number 6. What is 6? Sin 35 plus cos 5 degree. Sin 35 degree plus cos 5 degree. Here one function is sin and another function is cos. So either reduce to both are sin form or both are cos form. Okay. So sin both are sin form or both are cos form. Since this is a cos form, so cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay, or sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी. तो देखो दिस sin theta means 35 degree. तो this is cos sin 35 means sin of 35 means what? Pi by 2 minus 35 means this is 55. Okay, तो 35 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree. Okay, plus this is a cos 5 degree. So sin 90 minus theta means this is a cos theta plus cos 5 degree. तो both are cos form आसीगला. तो यूज cos c plus cos d form. तो cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. तो इज इक्वल टू 2 cos 60 degree by 2 means 30 degree into cos 55 minus 5 20 50 by 2 means 25 degree. Okay, so cos 30 means root 3 by 2. So this is 1 by this is 2 into root 3 by 2 cos 25 degree. So 2 to cancel. This is root 3 cos 25 degree. Root 3 cos 25 degree. Okay. Next question number 7. Question number 7 sin square 24 minus sin square 6 degree. Question number 7 sin square 24 degree minus sin square 6 degree is equal to dash. So use the formula sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to what? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Use this formula. This is sin a means 24 degree plus 6 degree into sin 24 degree minus 6 degree. So this is sin 30 degree into sin this is 18 degree. So sin 30 is equal 1 by 2. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. And sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 18 is this. Equal to root 5 minus 1 by 8. Next question number 8. Question number 8 given sin 70 degree into 4 cos square 20 degree minus 1. This is not sin 7. This is 3. Not 1. This is 3. Okay. This one 1 no hai. This is 3. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. Achha, sin 70 means cos 20 or sin 70 means 90 degree minus 20 degree into 4 cos square 20 degree minus 3. So is equal to sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So cos 20 degree into 4 cos square 20 degree minus 3. So multiply cos 20 with each means individually. So this is 4 cos cube 20 degree minus 3 cos 20 degree. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So is equal to cos 3 into theta. Theta means 20 degree. So is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 means what? Half. Cos 60 means half. So the value of this question is half. Okay. 1 by 2. Okay. Next question number 9. Sin square 72 minus sin square 60. Question number 9. Sin square 72 minus sin square 60 degree. Okay. Sin square 72 minus sin square 60 degree. So you may use the formula sin square a minus sin square b or direct put the value also. Okay. Sin square 72 value पकेबार sin 72 और sin 60 value भी पकेबार असुविधा किसी नहीं. Okay. So sin 72 means this is so sin 72 is equal to this is sin of 90 minus 18 degree. So is equal to cos of 18 degree. Okay. So put here cos 18 degree means this is cos square 18 degree. Sin square 72 means cos square 18 minus this is sin 62 ro whole square. 60 ro whole square. Okay. So this is cos 18. Cos 18 means 1 by 4 square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 ro whole square minus this is root 3 by 2 ro whole square. Okay. छाड़ कर दूसरी cos square 18 degree कहले 1 minus sin square 18 degree. So 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay. So 16 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16 is equal to 16 minus 6 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. Therefore cos 18 degree is equal to 1 by 4 root 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay. So this is what? This is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 into a minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. So find the LCM. LCM is 16. So 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 12. Okay, so is equal to 10, the 2 root 5 minus 2 divided by 16, so is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 8. Root 5 minus 1 by 8. This is the answer of sin square 72 minus sin square 60. Next one, cos square 48 minus sin square 12 degree. Next one, 10 number, cos square 48 degree minus sin square 12 degree. Okay, so sin 12 has no, sin 12 has sin square 12 नहीं sin अच्छा यूज करो cos square a minus sin square b. यूज द फार्मूला cos square a minus sin square b. cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. कहीं ना हमें sin 12 वैल्यू जानी ना हमें, तो sin 12 जानने की cos 48 जानने, तो ठीक अच्छी cos a plus b नहीं कि इंटू cos a माइनस b, तो दिस इज cos 60 इंटू cos 36 डिग्री. तो cos 60 मीन्स 1/2, cos 36 मीन्स रूट 5 प्लस 1/4, cos 36 डिग्री मीन्स रूट 5 प्लस 1/4, दिस इज रूट 5 प्लस 1/8. ओके, cos 36. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. Question number 1, sin 15 minus cos 15 is dash, negative, positive, 0, minus 1. Second one, which one is true? Sin 1 degree greater than sin 1 or sin 1 degree less than sin 1, sin 1 degree is equal to sin 1, D none. Similarly other questions. This is very important questions. First, again this is x axis, this is y axis, this is x dash and this one y dash. Okay, 0 to this is 90, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270 and 270 to 360 है नहीं. अच्छा, in first quadrant all t raised to the positive है नहीं. अच्छा, in first quadrant sin is an increasing function because sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. Remember this. Okay, first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Okay, so in first quadrant 1, sin is an increasing function and increases from 0 to 1, sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1. This is 0 degree, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2 and this is 0 तो नहीं. तो this is sin is an increasing function, increasing function. Okay, and increases from 0 to 1 because sin 0 0, sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1, तो 0 to 1 को इंक्रीज हो 0 to 1. तो पर्टिकुलरली 45 डिग्री रे sin 45 is 1/√2. Okay, similarly 2 cos is a decreasing function, cos is a decreasing function, decreasing function and decreases from 1 to 0 because 1 to 0 decreases from 1 to 0. okay, because cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, but cos pi by 2 is 0. So sin is increases from 0 to 1, sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1, but cos 0 1, cos pi by 2 0. तो 0 to pi by 2 रे sin है इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, cos है डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. पर्टिकुलरली pi by 2 रे बोथ आर इक्वल, sin 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू cos 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1 by √2. तो 0 to 45 डिग्री, 0 to 45 डिग्री मीन 0 to 45 डिग्री cos इज ग्रेटर देन sin, and 45 to 90 degree sin is greater than cos. Remember this, okay? So this is 45 degree, this is 45, okay? In this interval, this is cos theta is greater than sin theta when theta belongs to 0 to pi, 0 less than is equal to theta less than pi by 4, 0 less than theta less than equal to theta less than pi by 4. In this interval cos theta is greater than sin theta, but 45 to 90, 45 to 90 sin theta is greater than cos theta. 45 to 90, this is 45 to 90, right? So sin theta first quadrant, first quadrant, okay? So this is sin theta, sin theta is greater than cos theta when theta belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2, sin theta is greater than cos theta, sin theta is greater than cos theta, okay? Therefore question number 1, first number, sin 15 degree minus cos 15 degree. So 15 degree belongs to which quadrant? 15 degree belongs to in this interval 0 to 45, 0 to 45 कि रहुची 15 degree रहुची. तो sin theta minus cos theta is what? Negative. Sin theta minus cos theta is negative, means sin 15 degree minus cos 15 degree is negative, because 15 degree belongs to 0 to 45. So 0 to 45 रे cos greater than sin, but sin is less than cos, okay? तो sin minus cos टा कौन आसीबो? नेगेटिव. cos minus sin टा पॉजिटिव, 0 to 45 रे cos minus sin पॉजिटिव, but sin minus cos टा कौन हबो? नेगेटिव आसीबो, okay? तो in first quadrant sin is an increasing function, cos is a decreasing function. तो sin increases from 0 to 1 and cos decreases from 1 to 0, 1 to 0, okay? Next, in second quadrant sin is a decreasing function and decreases from 1 to 0 because sin pi by 2 1, sin pi 0. तो sin is a decreasing function and decreases from 1 to 0. cos also decreasing function, cos also decreasing function and decreases from 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1. कहीं cos pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1. तो cos is a decreasing function, both sin and cos both are decreasing function in second quadrant, and sin decreases from 1 to 0, cos decreases from 0 to minus 1, okay? Next, in third quadrant sin is a decreasing function, sin is a decreasing function and decreases from 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1, okay? But cos is an increasing function in third quadrant. increasing function and increases from -1 to 0, -1 to 0. In third quadrant, cos is an increasing function because cos pi is -1, cos 3 pi by 2 0. So -1 to 0 means increase होउछि, negative 0 को आसुछि. But sin is a decreasing function because 0 to negative what जाउछि, 0 to -1. Cos pi 0, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 -1. So this is in third quadrant sin is a decreasing function but cos is increasing function. In fourth quadrant sin is an increasing function. Sin is an increasing function and increases from -1 to 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 -1, sin 2 pi 0. Okay, cos also increasing function. Cos is an increasing function and increases from 0 to 1 because cos 3 pi by 2 0 and cos 2 pi 1. Okay, so fourth quadrant both sin and cos are increasing function. Second quadrant both sin and cos are decreasing function. First quadrant sin increasing function, cos decreasing function, and third quadrant sin decreasing function, cos increasing function. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and the question number 1, sin 15 minus cos 15 is negative because 15 degree belongs to 0 to 45. So 0 to 45 cos is greater than sin. Next, which one is true? Sin 1 degree and sin 1. 1 means 1 radian. 1 means 1 radian. So 1 radian means nearly 57 degree. Nearly 57 degree and 17 minute. Okay, so जेहेतु कौन था आमर sin is an increasing function, तो sin 1 degree is less than sin 1 because sin is increasing function. तो 0 to 90 भितर sin टा कौन हो increase होउछि. तो 1 degree means sin 1 degree means nearly 0 value because sin 0 degree means 0, sin 1 degree also nearly 0 but not exactly 0, nearly 0. But sin 57 degree means sin nearly 60 degree. So sin 60 degree means √3 by 2. Okay, so therefore sin 1 degree is less than sin 1. Sin 1 degree is less than sin 1. 1 means 1 radian. 1 means 1 kana radian. So sin 1 degree is less than sin 1 because 1 degree is less than 60 degree. 1 degree is less than 57 degree. Therefore sin 1 degree is less than sin 1. Next, which one is true? Sin 2 degree is greater than sin 2 or sin 2 degree less than sin 2. Sin 2 means 2 radian. 2 radian means 2 into 57. So 2 into 57 is 114 degree. So 114 degree means sin 2 degree means nearly 0. Nearly 0 value. But sin 114 means nearly 0.8, 0.9 value. So therefore sin 2 degree is less than sin 2. Sin 2 degree is less than sin 2. Sin 2 degree means sin 0 degree, sin 1 degree, sin 2 degree means sin 0 is 0. Sin 1 degree means 0 point something, 0.00001. Sin 2 degree means 0.00 out ke increase heithibo. Okay, but sin 2 means 2 into 57 degree. So 2 into 57 means 114 degree. So 114 degree means not is equal, sin 114 degree means not is equal to 0. This is a sin 90 means pi by 2. So sin 90 means 1 means sin 114 means nearly 0.7, 0.75 this type value. So sin 2 degree obviously is less than sin 2. Okay. Next, write true or false. Cos 1 degree is greater than cos 1. This is true because cos is a decreasing function in first quadrant. So cos 1 degree is less than cos 1. 1 means 1 radian. So 1 radian means 57 degree. So cos 1 degree is greater than cos 1. Cos 1 degree means nearly value 1. Cos 0 is 1 na. So cos 1 degree also nearly 1, not exactly 1. That means cos 1 degree means 0.99 this type value. and cos 1 means cos 1 radian means cos 60 degree nearly. Cos 60 means half. So 0.9 and half 0.5, which one is greater? So 0.9 is obviously greater. Therefore cos 1 is cos 1 degree is greater than cos 1. This is true. This is true. Next one, tan 1 degree. Tan 1 degree also nearly 0 because tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So sin 1 degree means nearly 0. So tan 1 degree also nearly 0. So tan 1 degree is obviously less than tan 1. Tan 1 degree is obviously less than or less than equal to tan 1 degree less than equal to tan 1. Okay, or strictly less than भी हबो हला नहीं. So tan 1 is less than equal to tan 1. Between tan 1 and tan 2 degree, which is greater? So between tan 1 and tan 2 means tan 2 degree, not tan. This is tan 2 degree. Tan 2 degree is nearly 0, but tan 1 means root 3, nearly root 3. So tan 1 is greater. Okay, tan 1 is greater than tan 2 degree. Tan 1 is greater than tan 2 degree. Okay, in next class again we discuss this. Again we discuss this table. Okay.